Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marble tiles shine again. First, always start with a clean slate. Gently sweep or vacuum your marble floors to remove loose debris. Then, mix a small amount of pH-neutral stone cleaner with warm water, following the product's instructions carefully. Mop the entire surface, ensuring you cover every inch, and then rinse thoroughly with clean water. Finally, dry the tiles completely with a soft, lint-free cloth to prevent water spots. Once your marble is sparkling clean and completely dry, it's time to bring back that beautiful luster. Apply a high-quality marble polishing compound, about a quarter-sized amount for every 2 square feet, directly onto the tile. Using a soft, clean cloth or a low-speed buffer, gently work the polish into the stone in small, circular motions. Continue buffing until you see the natural shine of the marble return, revealing its inherent beauty. To maintain that brilliant shine and protect your marble from future damage, sealing is a crucial step. Choose a penetrating marble sealer and apply it evenly across the entire surface using a clean applicator pad. Make sure to wipe off any excess sealer after about 10 to 15 minutes to avoid a hazy residue. Allow the sealer to cure completely, typically for 24 to 48 hours, before walking on or using the treated area. Keeping your marble tiles looking their best requires consistent, gentle care. Always wipe up spills immediately with a soft cloth to prevent them from setting in. For daily cleaning, stick to pH-neutral cleaners specifically formulated for natural stone. Avoid harsh chemicals like bleach or acidic solutions, which can dull or etch the surface. Reseal your marble every 12 to 18 months to ensure continuous protection and a lasting, beautiful shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.